Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I will be replacing the oil pump, water pump, and the idler pulley, as well as the oil pan, and just cleaning up the pistons. I didn't get too much footage because my camera ran out of space, and then I ended up recording on my phone as well as using it to view the service manual. In the second half of the video there will be audio of me talking, because like I said, I started recording with my phone. I think here I'm just explaining that I tried to get all the dirt off the block, but just some places were extremely difficult to get to, so I was unable to do that. In this next clip I'm gonna start blowing out the water that I got inside from when I was cleaning the block. I just didn't want them inside where the pistons are, but in the coolant channels it was okay, so I tried my best to blow it out. I think I did get it all out, and then towards the end I'll start cleaning the pistons. Here I start removing the water pump, and I also cleaned the surface of the block where the water pump will go onto. You want a good, nice, clean mating surface. And then right here I'm sort of just inspecting the water pump. It didn't look like it was bad, but that's just what I was told, so I didn't want to take any chances, so I decided to change it out with the newer one. This one was a OEM piece, so yeah, I'm not too quite sure how often these go out, but I think this engine had around like 200 plus thousand miles on it. Alright, my camera ran out of storage, so now I'm recording on my phone, but I cleaned it all up a little bit more. I can't really get those other marks to come off. Hopefully it doesn't really affect it too much, but I'm gonna try to just put it on, and if it goes bad again, I'll just replace it again. Fuck it. Alright, so now we got the oil pump off too. I don't know if we're going to be using the same oil pan. I know it's just the threads are like cross-threaded, but it might just be cheaper just to go pull one off of the junkyard, so I might just do that. I'm just going to clean this all up and then throw everything on. Everything is looking pretty decent, not too bad. I can't really look, I have to flip it over, but let's take a look. Let's take a look. It's nothing too bad. I don't think so. According to the condition of the crankshaft, but oh well. We'll find out one day. Not today. Alright, we got the new water pump on. Idler pulley and water pump, oil pump, water pump, pulley. I'm just cleaning the pistons, but I gotta go to the junkyard, find a new oil pan. I think there's two nearby, so I'm just gonna go get it real quick. See if I could get the wiring harness too, if it's a manual car. But we'll see. Keep you guys updated. I got this cover and this transmission cover because I don't have one. And then I also have shift linkage. It's in the storage unit now. Oh, I have to close that, but it's in there now. And I'm just gonna go back to cleaning up the engine and cleaning this up. I'll take the baffle out and clean the inside. There was a lot of like gunk and goop in it, so now it's pretty clean.
Just gonna leave it like this. Alright, I got the baffle back on, all bolted on, all tightened, and I just remembered that this kit that I purchased, it didn't come with the oil pan gasket, so I think this is where I have to stop. Maybe I'll clean it up some more when, you know, it's time to put it on, but right now we can't really go anywhere else, so I'm just gonna continue cleaning the engine, or cleaning the pistons. I was cleaning the top of them with some carb cleaner. Yeah, it fits in here, don't worry. I don't think it does. Oh, yeah, it's fine. Yeah, no damage. Just gonna clean it up, maybe cleaning some more up of the block. And yeah, so far, I mean, I'm really enjoying this. I think it's really fun, considering this is like my first engine build. Oh yeah, and I have to order a thermostat because the old one was pretty messed up. I have the housing, it's soaking in some soap water right now. I'm thinking if I should take this off or not. We'll see. I'll see what I do.